Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to move your entries and exits for your parts for the cam feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're heading to the program here. Now, like I mentioned today, we're going to be looking at your entries and exits. So this is pretty much when the cam is cutting, where it's going to enter the shape, where it's going to start the shape, and where it's going to end it. So now by default it sets it up quite well, but you can obviously use this to try optimize your workflow a little bit more depending on the actual location of your shapes. I'm going to keep this demo however very simple, so I'm not going to refine it too much. I'm just going to pretty much be showing you how it works. So first of all, with a sheet already open, I'm going to just add a few shapes. So let's go create a few triangles of 200 by 200, and then I'm going to go quantity nesting, make this 4. Say add, click nest, and then I've put a bit of a speed there, so it spaces it. Say accept, and then I'm just going to move this to the center so we can nicely see the current setup. Just zoom in here a bit. So now currently what's going to happen if I go to cam and then I hit the actual NC button, we will see it comes in, goes clockwise to from the top right corner to the right top right corner, does the same with the next block, same with the next block, and then same with the last block. So all of them, same process. They start by the top right, move around, end there. So let's say, like I said, depending on your layout, you wanted to change this, and then you can always do that. So I'm gonna just do maybe a bit of a ladder effect, just so you can see the difference. So I'm just gonna go out of cam and back into cam, and then what you want to do is select your shape that you want to start it with. So I'm going to start with our first shape, zoom in here so we can see it nicely, and then we want to locate our entry and exit button, which is over here, the little block or rectangle with 2 arrows going through it. I'm going to select this, and then nothing will happen, like no pop-up blocks, but if you had to hover your mouse to an edge, then you will see it actually updates it. Now you don't have to select a shape in order to change its entry and exits, but I find it sometimes nicer for a visual element so you can see what's happening. So as we can see there, close to the mouse cursor, if I move away, we've got that black little arrow indicating where it's going to be. So I'm going to go and select just so we can see the bottom here. And as we can see, it updated, so now it's heading there, then it's heading to the top right. So like I said, I'm by no means going to be optimizing this. I'm really just showing you so we can get an idea of what's happening. Now I'm going to select that same thing, go on this cube and hit the bottom left corner as well. And then we can see it does a bit of a ladder effect now. So I'm going to just get a nice zoom level, and then we preview it again. So now we can see it comes in, starts at the bottom left corner, then it moves to the top right corner, then it should go back to the bottom left corner, and then to the top right corner. So like I said, this can be a convenient feature if you want to optimize your workflow, and but in general the default that it comes with is pretty good. Yeah, otherwise that is it on your entries and exits. It's rather simple. So just quick recap, you want to make sure you are in your cam with shape selected, and then you head to the entries and exits and simply just click where you want the new entry and exit point on the contour or the line of your actual shape. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.